Hey everyone, it's 1st of December 2025, and it has been like one day after the exam. And here are my thoughts. Like, first, my initial thoughts were like, damn, I flunked it. Like, I just hit rock bottom instead of doing actually something. But the actually, after hearing from others, nobody actually did well in DLR, which I presume, since it's like the questions were not that tough, they were moderate to difficult. But the thing is, the problem was they were not solvable. The questions were especially not solvable, and there were no titas. Sorry, there were no options, there were only titas. So the issue is that you can't go by option, you can't even think of the range by option. There's like anything can be answered from any digit. Like the probability, you need probability permutation combination just to get an idea of the answer. So there's that was very bad. And well, for VARC, I think I attempted 17 questions. I don't know how many of them are right, wrong. I have no idea, and I won't be even seeing any breakdown videos or anything. I will just wait for my percentile. I won't do anything. And then after that, DLR was kind of like a no show for me. I tried 3 to 4 sets, reached almost the end of everyone, but did not get many right. I think I just got 6 right. I don't know I got 6 right or not. I attempted 6. And for the quants, I think it was on a like a lengthier side. It was not that difficult. It was difficult, moderate to difficult, but it was not that difficult. But the problem is the known concepts, the concepts which actually was easy, they took like very lengthy calculative. Like they were taking like 2 minutes, 3 minutes for one question, which was not at all feasible for me, since I always focus on things that are like very short. So there's that. And definitely quants, I attempted 13 questions. I could only attempt that much. I wish, like, if I would have been given 5 more minutes, I think I would have also done 3 to 4 more. But let bygones be bygones. I think now I'll be starting for ZAT once again ZAT. This time I'll be targeting, of course, XLRI 99 percentile. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, like, it was kinda like moderate to difficult paper for slot 2. By the way, I was in slot 2. So yeah, how's your experience in CAT? I don't know. Mine, it was very frustrating. Okay, bye.